Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this floating object effect in a CapCut. So this can be done on your phone or the PC version. I just happen to be on the PC version. You're just going to grab some PNG photos and you're just going to place it here. I don't know why this soccer ball looks like this, but we'll just use it, it's fine. Can barely see it. You know, I'm going to make the background white. I'm annoyed. Okay, so we'll do that. So later I will place the person actually over everything else. Why isn't it not like clicking? There we go. So here I actually want to place him on top of everything else. Then we're going to go to effects, search up play pendulum and add it behind, oops. So you're going to add it underneath the person here. So the effect is like here. There we go. So it only applies to the image and not the actual person. I'm just going to resize it so it's a little bit smaller, because it does that when you add the effect for some reasons. And as you can see, it looks like it's floating. Okay, so I'm also going to add in maybe like a slide down animation to it. So I'm going to add slide down on this one, and then I'll do a slide right on this one, and then for this one I'll do a slide left. I'm also going to make the animation a little bit slower, maybe at like 1 second per object, maybe like that. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I'm just going to move him kind of to the left. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!